The TBS1000B series offers a unique new TrendPlot function that allows you to monitor any one or two automated measurements. You can plot the measurements on the oscilloscope display, making it easy to see how automated measurements behave over time. This function is available in non-EDU models of the TBS1000B only. The TrendPlot function is especially useful when you need to record measurement results under a variety of test conditions. For example, you can use the TrendPlot function to verify circuit design specifications, or to capture intermittent events, or even to troubleshoot random shutdowns. You can also use it to monitor a power supply during temperature changes. Let's see how we would use the TrendPlot function to record changes in a DC voltage over time. We start by pressing the Auto Set button, which produces a stable signal on the display. We can use the mean voltage automated waveform measurement to provide a snapshot of the DC voltage at any moment in time. But in order to observe changes in the mean voltage over a long period of time, you have to sit in front of the scope, wait for changes, and manually record the measurement results. The TrendPlot function is specifically designed to address these types of monitoring challenges. It lets you plot those measurements on the oscilloscope display. The vertical scale on the plot adjusts automatically, and measurements are plotted from left to right. You can also save the information directly onto a USB flash drive plugged into the front of the scope. This lets you analyze the measurement data to quantify how they've changed over time. The plot displays a red highlight if the measurement data is questionable. For example, if the signal is outside of the display range or if the measurement cannot be calculated. This example shows how a cycle RMS measurement is suspended when line voltage drops to zero temporarily. The TrendPlot function records a measurement each time the scope is triggered. When the trigger mode is set to auto, measurements will automatically be triggered. However, when the trigger mode is set to normal, the plot will wait for a trigger condition, and the measurement will be recorded only after a trigger condition is met. With the new TrendPlot function on the TBS1000B, you'll be able to monitor up to 2 automated measurements and record them to a flash drive, so you can spot trends and changes without having to sit in front of the oscilloscope for long periods.
Find out more at Vicom's website.